Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the maintenance light on a Honda Civic from 2016 and onwards. So first off, you want your ignition to be on. If your car has a start-stop button, press the start-stop button twice to start the ignition. And you don't want to start the engine, you just want to start your ignition. So now for step 2, with your ignition on, scroll the menu until you see the wrench in the display. Then press enter. You see the menu button here in the image, just press that, then scroll with the arrows left or right until you see the wrench, then press enter. So now on to the third and final step. Once you enter the wrench menu, your oil life percentage should be displayed. Once in that menu, you want to press and hold the enter button for around 10 to 15 seconds until a menu appears which asks you what you want to reset. It's either just oil life or different kinds of services. Just pick and select what you want to reset and press enter. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.